What evergreen shrubs or small trees can I plant as foundation plants? I would like to have plants with small footprints and no more than 8 feet tall. My home faces the west. Is Japanese sky pencil a good choice? And this is John from Memphis, Tennessee. So, what do you think about that? What evergreen shrubs or small trees do you like as foundation plants?
No small trees.
No small trees, she says. No.
Because again, trees need to be at least 4 feet from a foundation.
Okay.
And I mean, what kind of small tree can you get that will, trees get bigger than 4 feet wide. So I don't know about small trees, if I would even put small trees around the house because of that. Then there's the other thing that he wants a small footprint, and I'm not quite sure what he means by that. But when it talks about the sky pencil, that's a very narrow tree, a narrow shrub. And they do well here, but they do better in containers. Sometimes our ground here is too wet, especially in the winter, and those tend to die out. I had some planted by my mother's house, and I've planted them 3 times, 3 different years, because they kept dying because they were in the ground, and finally I gave up. So I think they would do better in containers.
Okay.
Or unless it's a slope, a good slope, it's got good drainage, and it doesn't stay wet. The sky pencils don't like to be wet.
Okay, no wet feet.
Other things he can use, there's dwarf boxwoods, dwarf Yopon holly, inkberry holly.
Okay.
I don't know if you've heard about that one.
Yeah.
Those are nice and pretty. Also abelia. There's a Rose Creek abelia that blooms and is evergreen. So, and a mixture of some of those would look beautiful, I think.
It'll be beautiful, John, she thinks. I think it would be good. So the home faces the west.
Yes.
So
all of those can take this in the dry.
Especially here in Memphis, Tennessee, right?
Yes.
Right. Afternoon sun, brutal.
Yes, it is.
It's gonna be brutal.
Now all of those will do well in the west.
Those will do well in the west. We hope you enjoyed the video. We have hundreds more. To subscribe, just click below.